just wanted to do a quick intro into error handling. So I'm just going to run this. And it should start up, get a level, and you can see already I've got an error in the console. So if I free my mouse up, there it is down there. So how would I go about debugging this? So it's telling me it's here, but I don't really know why this item's null. So what I can do is press this attach to Unity. And come back in here and run it. Now this isn't going to work, but let's just play it out. So run, and again, same error. So it doesn't appear to be very helpful. But what you have to do is come into Visual Studio, and I do Control-Alt-E, which brings up the exception settings. You can get that from the debug window, exception settings. And then here, common language, I just tick that. Let's press run again. And now we get stopped in Visual Studio. I get the full stack, so I can see that this item is indeed null. It's come from restock order, and restock orders come from on bonus court. So this is a new thing I've just added. So this is clearly firing on the on trigger enter when I don't expect it to be. So this is the root cause of my problem. And that's how I'll now go and debug it. So there you go, a quick intro into debugging. I tend to turn this back off again once I've figured it out. So hopefully that will be of some help to you. Okay, thanks.